Hello! Today we are going to cook salmon sinigang or sinigang na salmon, alright? So there are different ways to cook sinigang na salmon or fish sinigang, whatever. But this is how I learned how to do it back in my hometown in San Jose, Nueva Ecija. Okay, taught by my sister, my mother, and my aunt also, my auntie Aline. Anyway, so we have here the main ingredient is the salmon fish. This is a fillet. This is 2 pounds of salmon cut into 4 pieces with the skin on. We just scrape the scale off, but the skin is still on there. And we have tomatoes, onions, and also spring onions or scallion, if you want to call it that way. And for seasoning, we use ready-made or powdered tamarind soup. I can use either 1 or 2, it depends. If you want it too sour, then maybe 1, 1.5 or 2. Otherwise, if you just kind of like it mild, 1 is enough. So it's according to your taste. And then for garnishing, we have the white radish, this Anaheim pepper, and the spinach. Anyway, this is it. So we are ready to cook. See you later. For this, I just put 6 cups of water. And then I will put the tomatoes there and let it boil. We're going to put the lid so as to help the tomato easy to mash later. Check again. Looks like it's soft enough. We can easily mash it. And then put it back into the pot. Let it boil for another minute. You can put the fish now. At this point, we can also put the Anaheim pepper and the onions. It will cook together with the fish. So we will taste it after a while and see how the sour taste is like. If it's not too sour enough, we can add more powder. At this point, we can also put the onions and the white radish. They will all cook at the same time. Later, when the fish is almost done, we can taste it, and if it's not sour enough, we can add more. So it depends on our taste. Take a teaspoon enough and then taste it. Perfect? Oh yeah, that's good, that's good. So if you have 6 cups of water, 1 packet of powder will do. And our soup is almost done. The fish is done, almost. Now we can add spinach. I turned off the heat and I put the spinach because it doesn't take much heat to cook it. Put the lid on, let the spinach steam a little bit. Let's see how the spinach is doing. I love it. It's still crispy, but it's on the soft side. Okay, the sinigang salmon is done. It's here. Kain na!